Hey guys, my name is Masha and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to make these twisted ties for the ends of your friendship bracelets. So these are actually extremely simple. So you separate your threads into two separate strands. You take the one on the left and you just start twisting it. I prefer to twist mine to the left, but that's just my personal decision. You can do whatever you like. And then you do the same thing with the other one and you twist in the same direction. I like to use my fingers to sort of hold it. And then once you're done twisting both of the ties, you twist them together in the opposite direction of which you were twisting each of them individually. At this point you want to be very careful. And then at the end, once you're done, you just make a simple knot. And there you go. At this point, you can just cut off your strings. And that's it. As you can see, the ties don't start untwisting themselves. They're pretty much secure and they're just going to be like that. So there you have it, that's how you make the twisted ties for the ends of your friendship bracelets. By the way, if you guys want to learn how to make this bracelet, I have a tutorial up on that and it's going to be linked in the card and in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and if you ever make anything based on any of my videos, I always love it when you guys send me pictures on Instagram, whether that be in a direct message or a post. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I will see you soon. Bye!